Hi, I'm Connor, and in this video we'll show you how to use my customizable Powerup system in Unity. When you first import the package to a new or existing Unity project, you will see a folder named Powerup System containing all of the required files, as well as one named Sample Assets, which controls examples of how the system can be used. The first step to implementing this tool is to drag the Powerup controller prefab into your scene. Attached to this object is the Powerup controller script, which will pass information between the other elements involved. Within the inspector for this script, there are inputs for various UI elements, which will display information about the active Powerup. There's also a checkbox, which will turn on and off whether or not picking up an item box while a Powerup is active will overwrite it. To actually implement a new Powerup, select Powerup from the top of the Create menu. This will make a scriptable object with several different inputs. Name, description, and sprite all affect the previously mentioned UI. Object takes in a prefab, which will contain the script that will actually activate the Powerup. Finally, you can adjust the duration the Powerup lasts for. Now that you have your Powerup defined, it's time to put it into an item box. Attaching the item box script to any object that has a trigger volume will give you access to an array in which you can drag one or more of your power-ups, which will then be randomly selected when the player picks it up. There's also an input for a particle system to spawn when the box is triggered. I have set up here 4 power-ups to showcase how this tool works. When the player runs into one of the item boxes, the power-up is activated and a UI panel appears in the top left corner showing the data I entered earlier, as well as a timer showing how much time the power-up has left. It goes away automatically when the effect ends. Since the power-ups are primarily controlled by user-entered data, this system is highly versatile and can be used to create many different types of effects on gameplay.